Okay, early morning feeding. Oh, the deer. Shh. She don't care. Shh. That's my food. Yeah. She don't care. She just go keep on eating. It's a baby. Shh. It's the limping one. Go away. Go eat blackberries down there. There's a lot down there. Go. She's a little better with the and then she go wait for him. She's still limping. So where you gonna go? Huh? Oh, down there? Okay.
I know she's gonna come back.
I didn't even record it.
Good. She told me she don't like when you put the camera on her. She don't put the camera on you.
Baby robins. They're playing under the car.
Looking for bugs under the car.
She's sunbathing, spreading her wings. See?
It's called a dust bath.
There's no dust there. Hey guys, so we went to Walmart and SARS late at night, and I went and got some meat and stuff that we go take for our trip to Ohio. And ayan, I'll show you guys. I think this is cheap. Pork pops. Look at this. For only $2.58. And I have these two different bags. See, ang laki guys, oh. For only $3 something. And I got some down there, pork ears, pork snap. I'm going to make dinuguan. So, yeah. And then marinate all this meats. Oh, I got this too. Marinate this. Ready to cook, so we don't have to go out and eat a lot. We just eat in the RV. You are getting too close to my plants right here. Right here. And she don't move too. She go wait for me. Oi!
They have to do PT.
Oh wow. Early morning too, a lot of them. Why they run in a group inside the base?
McCoy Air Force Base.
McCoy.
They got a time limit too.
What do you mean? For the run?
Yeah.
Wow, they're huge.
Yeah.
Concrete? No.
No.
Plastic. Ayan guys, cinnamon roll again. Dinubli ko yung ano para madami. Second rice. This is 8.
This is your airplane.
2, 4, 6, 7, 15. And I got some in here. Rising 6, 12, 8. 12 plus 8. 12 plus 8! 20. How much is it? Plus 15! 35. Wow! I make 35 rolls. First batch is done. Let's see. It smells so good. Looks so good, you guys. That's not without frosting yet. Ah, diba? So I have blueberry and what's this? The icing? Ah, okay. Brain fart. Brain fart. This is the what is this? cream cheese icing with a little bit of blueberry. And this is blueberry with powdered sugar. And that's just blueberry icing. Okay, so the deer came by and pruned my pepper leaves and my tomato. I already got tomato right here, you guys. So, but she cut this off. Oh my goodness.
You didn't even shake the blade. You could be bugs on.
I did. So look at this bird first. What is she doing? There's one more. Joined her. Here's that one who ate my vegetables. Not just one. Why did you eat my vegetables? Huh? Both of you? It's a mama and a baby, it looks like. No? Both of them looks like. I know. It's not the limping one. Who ate my vegetables? You? You? Huh? You're the one who ate my pepper and tomatoes? Huh? Listening too. Shh. 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 There's one more over there. Oh, this is the three. See? One more over there. I threw him something, and she could look at. Thought it's a food. And there's a